See, see. Let's wait for some people to just join us. Today, I'm going to be streaming some stuff about a landing page that we're building. This is a landing page for Musho, and we have a landing page, but when you design something quickly and then you revisit it, and you're like, "Ugh, I don't know if I like it anymore." So today we're going to be revisiting a landing page and then redesigning it a little bit. So yeah, so if you are on the chats, just leave your name, where are you from, what's going on. Also, if you're on Facebook, then just go to that link, chat.restream.io/FB, because this is being spread to different channels. But I don't think I can see the stuff that people leave on Twitter. But hey, to all the Twitter people, hi. Seems like my camera sometimes goes on and off. Sorry about that. But ooh, look at that, balloons. So today, again, we're going to be creating some designs for a landing page, and it's a landing page that is already done, but now I'm just redesigning it. So it would be dope if you just join me on this creative process. Oh man, my camera sometimes goes on and off. It's maybe, I don't know what's going on. Maybe I should change my camera because it seems like the camera from my phone sometimes it just goes off. So if I change it to this one, hopefully that was better. But yeah, just so let me actually share my screen. You're going to see what's going on. This is what we're going to be doing today. We're going to finesse some stuff on the design. Also load more, as in that load more button. Also add a feature section on the website. Then test Musho, because this is for an app, a plugin that we're building called Musho, and also to showcase detail. But let me show you what we have. So let me see. Yo, if you're on Facebook, join here. Saludos desde Bogotá. Hey, for people in Bogotá, hola, un abrazo, un besote. Joseph from Nigeria. Joseph, hi. That's so cool, man. It's so dope to see people from over there, all over the world. So let's see, my camera's still working. Yeah. So so this is what the page is looking. I've been testing. Let me actually show you what's going on. I've been doing a lot of different explorations. Is there any people here? Yeah. So you can see that, hey, it was pretty simple first. Then just it started getting a little bit less simpler, and just but also just keeping it really simple. Hold on, let me actually close the overlay of the chat. Everyone, just if you're here, would love to hear your to read your comments. I can read your comments, but I'm going to just close the overlay. Okay. So I was going with this. Then wait, what? What is this? Luxury from yeah, it's playing around with different things. Then we started putting together just a brand concept, and you can see that it's okay, what if I've been wanting to do something with yellow for a long time, and so okay, what if we went with a different font, for example, hold on, let me see if hold on, I'm pretty sure I had another. Yeah, so I started playing with this font, and this is a Geometric Sans, and it's a TT Commons, and it's really nice. I always just go for a Geometric Sans whenever I can. I always end up selecting a font like this. So I'm kind of getting out of my comfort zone and trying to go with something more. I don't know, a variable font like this that is a little bit more. It has those what I call these the ink traps, which you don't need anymore, but it's more just a stylistic thing. And this one is called GT Flexa. And I was trying first the trial, see, you can see here, like, this versus this. I definitely, this one looks a little bit more like corporate and more simple. It's like, screw it, let's go with something weird. So, like, I don't know. Again, I'm getting off out of my comfort zone with this, but like, you can see like different expressions here, like a just like a how would it look with yellow and on black and with a yellow background. So now it's looking a bit more like, no, hold on, where's it? No, this is not it. Yeah, this one. So now it's I'm starting to put it together, and just like I talked to the team seemed to like this approach. So this is how it's looking. Now there's a lot of different pieces that are still missing. This was just like a general, like, quick vibe check, with the team. We'd love to, like, let's see what you think. So you comment, yo, if you're afraid. Okay. So I think we're going with this stuff. So now that we like it, I'm going to start like doing some finessing, loading more features and all of that stuff. Now, if you are here, oh, look, it looks so cool. Look at that. Ooh, the camera, just like it looks very cinematic. But yeah, just like hey, if you have, before I start, like, if you have questions or something, I think that I can see some of your chat here. It's just like for example, here I see Tomas. I can see your comments. So hi, Tomas. Now, if you want to go and what's going on, man? We'd love to jump some all the stuff with you. Hey, Brandon, thank you. You bring it to the side, I'll bring it to life. It sounds like Brandon wants to do something together. Hey, from Delhi, India. That is so cool, Ankur. Like, people from India. I don't know what time is it over there in India. It must be like the afternoon, maybe at night. Stefan from London. Hi, Stefan. Siet. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly, but hi. And also Joseph from Nigeria. Hi, Joseph. So all of you, thank you so much for joining. Now let's get started. Let me share my screen and let's get to it. Okay, so look at this header. Like, this was actually someone from the team, like, start playing around with this idea, and it's like, oh, I really liked it. So I started playing with it, and now on this one, I'm using GTFlex like extended, and I'm using GTFlex also the mono one, and I'm doing that combination. Now GTFlex says I just bought it, so we just bought it. So now I was using the trial version, and this is from Really Type. GT is for Really Type, and now I can just replace it because I just installed it, and I think I can replace this with GT, the actual real one. Yeah, there you go. So let's replace it. It looked like nothing happened, but now I'm not using the trial anymore. So let's do the same with this one. Boom. Hey, it did change something here. Weird. Something about open type. But anyway, this is this was all. As you can see, I'm not even using text styles or anything. I was just like playing around, just like moving things around. I think I'm going to need to start getting this a little bit more organized. Also, this thing seems like maybe the max width, we can go all the way to 800. That way, that the text gets into 2 lines. I feel it's cool, but at the same time, there's a lot going on. Like, this one feels cleaner, but this one feels more fun. So it's like, dude, like, is that balance, right? How do you balance fun and also simplicity? But I'm just going to go with fun, and then maybe we can just like make it simpler later. But so now that we have our font, I was thinking of doing, well, first of all, just like doing a load more. Let's see if all of these, it's just select all. You can do select all with the same font. Boom. And then now we can go to GT, flex a baby. Boom. And let's Look at all the fonts that it has. It's just that all of these are just like like different. Oh my god! It's just like so many widths and so many also like lengths. How do you call it? Like the X width. Hold on, let me. What's going on with the music? Let me turn off the music. Sorry about that. Realizing that I had the music turned on. And then also this one, let's it's still TT Commons as you can see. Let's select all with the same font, and let's go with GT Flexa Mono, and let's do 1, 2, 3. Let's do -4%. The mono font is a little bit too wide, you know, like too separated, which is part of the of it being mono. But I think we can go with it being and also the regular one is a little bit too bold for me. So let's go with light. Boom. Okay. I'm liking this. This is looking good. I was skeptical at first. I love this. These are like fake, just like testimonials. So let's add a load more button. Hold on. Is something going on with my camera? No. Oh, good. Let me see the chat. You can use Font Switcher plugin. Hi, Paolo. So happy to see you. I have you. Hey, yeah, maybe I'll try it. Yeah, 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 yeah. So, okay, so let's put this one. Let's put this one out. I don't think we're going to be using that one. Let's keep working with this design, and let's add a load more button. So I'm actually going to use this button. Let's put it over here. Let's change our stroke to be the UI. I think we want it to be faint. Let's see. And then the text, we want it to be inverted. There you go. So now we can see all. What should it be? Because maybe it should just take them to the, see all creations. See all creations. Okay, maybe we can change the copy later. And this should take them to the page, the showcase page. This is just a section of showing the latest ones, but I think clicking here should just take people to see them all. Now, I wanted to, well, there you go. First thing done. Load more. I don't think I need load more. We need it to be more like so. Let's do over here and let's put it done, and let's put it like this. And working on this is. Do you like my project management here tool? So good. Done is there. Maybe done. We should put it on the back on the bottom because we want to see what we're working on first. Okay, the load more is done. Now let's do some finessing. I think the finessing is going to be all the different fonts that somebody suggested. Check this out. Somebody said you can use Font Switcher plugin. So let's use it. Let's Font Switcher. Let's searching in the plugins. I never used this one, so this is going to be cool. Okay, loading plugins. Select some text layers or their parents. Wait, what? Font Switcher. Let's GT Flexa trial. Is that where we're looking? I don't know what's going on. Okay. Yo, it just went away. Hold on. Don't go away. Okay. GT. Yo, whoever suggested this thing, I don't know if I'm liking it, dude. What's going on? I don't get it. Okay. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. I don't know. Let's see the comments. You can use Font Switcher. Okay, I'm not using Font Switcher. That looks like a terrible plugin. I don't understand how to use it. Maybe I'm just dumb. So let's actually just like select all with the same font. Boom. Select is a mono trial. So let's just go with mono. There you go. It's really easy to just like do it this way. Flex a mono, trial A, select all with the same font. Whatever this is selected, let's not use the trial anymore, and let's use the real one. And then on this one, select all with the same font, and then let's go from trial to the real one. It's kind of boring, huh? Am I boring you? Pretty sure I'm boring you. It's okay. Flex a mono, okay. All of these are, it seems like I'm not using the trial anymore. Oh yeah, so select all with the same font. Whatever this is being used, let's go with Flexa. There you go, baby. There you go. Flexa, Flexa A. Whatever this is, select all with the same font. And let's go with Flexa, the real version. This one is also Flexa. Flexa Mono, it's not the trial anymore. Beautiful. So now let's do the same here. So I'll go with the same font and let's change it to not the trial, but the mono one. Not the trial. This is not trial. This is not trial. Okay, let's select all with the same font and let's go with Flexa. No more trial. Let's see what's going on. Is my camera okay? Yeah. But only works if you want all font change. It works. Select all frames. Dude, I did. um, I'm okay doing it manually. Old school. Somebody said like, but only works if you want all fonts changed in one go. Okay. Open. I think you have to open the plugin. I did. Hold on. Did I not open the plugin? Hold on. View details. Like run. That's a plugin. Maybe I'm, and then it just goes away. So is it a plugin or is it a something else? Font switcher. Maybe there's another plugin that I'm not. That I'm quicker font switcher. I love that somebody made a. This is a better one. Hold on. So let me plugin saved. Dude. Okay. Now this is a horrible plugin. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, so let's keep working on this. Let's do select all with the same font, and no, I already have it. I think we're good. Oh no, select all with the same font. We're almost there. We're almost there. We got this. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So almost there. So finessing. Let's say the finessing is done. Finessing never ends, but for today, we have what we wanted to do for finessing done. Now, we want to do a features section. So actually, let me go to Musho.ai, and I want to, something that I had already designed before, artificial design. This part, handmade, editable, code ready, beautiful. Let me see. Should I do this block again? Yeah, let's do it again. Screw it. So handmade, editable, code ready, and beautiful. So let's add a new section here. And actually, let me use one of the templates that we use from Musho. Let's go with ooh, what happened here? Huh. Yeah. Who made a change here? Whoever made a change, please don't make a change. So let me go with Musho. So for those who don't know, Musho is our little tool that we're using. And let me actually go to the admin. And this is a way to just like update some of the things that we feed to our thing. And let me just refresh. And then apparently, sorry, I got distracted because I started seeing something. But I think what I want is this one. I really like this one. Let me go over here to brand exploration. And let's see if we can. Ooh, no. I want this stuff, man. Come on. And let's put it here. Beautiful. So now what we want is change the title of this, and I think the little details, and let's actually change this to be handmade, editable, code ready. Handmade, editable, dev ready, and also code ready. No, dev ready. What was this doing? And gorgeous. Just put gorgeous here. Beautiful, beautiful, editable, and dev ready. Let's use those three. And what do we put here? Let's put the same thing here. Let's use that same subheading. And I think I'm liking this. And this is using that same color palette. So cool because I can try different things. So for example, here, if I wanted to, instead of the gold color palette, I can go with Candy Forest, which looks horrible. Let's go with basic. Looks horrible too. It's so weird because I think I hacked gold to work really well. So anyway, so let's all of this stuff. I think I want to change to a different font because this one is using. I'm wondering if I should just like go ahead and create a new typeface because I have different combos here and I could just remove. Yeah, let me create a new typeface that I can just like play around with. So all of these little dudes, let's I'm going to use this thing that is called. Um, hmm, there's one plugin that I really like that is called Font. No, Font Switcher. Oh my god, I need to. Sorry, guys, I don't know how to use it, but that was a horrible suggestion. Thank you. I hate it. Let's. I use this one that I really like. Hold on. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Styler. This one. So this one detaches styles. This one too. Ba, 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 detaches styles. So that's one style. Detaches styles. So now they're not styles anymore, and I could just change the font to all of these to be TP. No, so GT Flexa, boom. The only thing is that I here it's very limited, and the cool thing about GT Flexa is that sometimes you want to do this and then you want to go with extended, and so maybe that's what I need to do. Let's keep it like that, and then this one also should be bold and extended, and then maybe no, bold and extended. There you go. And then all of these, I think it's okay to use this, but I might want to do text mono. Let's screw it. Let's all of them. Let's change it to GT mono. Boom. Okay. So now all of these little dudes, I think that what we want to do is here the name is fun/poppings. Well, we don't want that anymore. So let's do fun/poppings to just be Musho. So now we're going to look. Let's see, rename. Well, I don't think I did it the right way. I think, yeah, it has to be like this. Rename to fun/poppins/ and then here let's put Musho / and that way I can just like use it as before for branding, and it's renamed. And now that it's renamed, and actually let me actually go ahead and quickly play around with the character. What do I call this? It's tracking letter spacing. Yeah. And now all of these little dudes, I can turn them into a style really quickly with this thing that is a batch styler. No, it's this thing is called styler plugins, styler, and then generate styles. And now it generated 15 styles. So now I can go ahead and use them. Let's see if I can use them now on my actual brand exploration. And I can go and Musho. Musho, it used to be a 02. So if I go to Musho 02, Tracas. There you go. So now this should be text default. So Musho text default. Da, 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 da. Tracas. All of these little dudes. On what's going on over here? Is this thing still working? Yeah. Hello, Pablo and everyone. I don't really use Figma, but I got to say the Musho plugin seems like an amazing product. Oh, thank you so much. That is so cool. Yeah, we should test it in a second. Let me just go with Musho, and this was a text large bold. So Musho text large bold. Hey, I don't know if I'm a big fan of that, but hey, this is a text default, so let's go with Musho text default. Text default, not a fan. But hey, we can just now let's go ahead and do this, and let's see if it fits right here. Not so bad, huh? Okay, let's keep it as that. I think I'll play around with the copy here later. Actually, let's play around with the actual icons. I'm using these icons that I really love. It's called phosphor icons, and they come as a Figma file too. So they're dev ready. They're really good in SVG, and they can also you can use them on code really easily too. But also they come as a Figma file, and they're pretty good. So beautiful glasses. I think I was using glasses. So let's do sunglasses. Editable. So let's see if we have an edit one. Well, that's credit. Not exactly what I want. Let's do this pencil. Hey, I like it. And dev ready. So let's search for one that is code. And yeah, let's do this one. Dev ready. AI beautiful. AI plus beautiful. Let's use this one with or primary color. I think it's gonna look nice. AI plus beautiful design. We have a showcase. Awesome. So now, what happens if I were to click on one of these showcase pages? Let's go ahead and design that. So I think what we want is maybe we want to duplicate this over here, and then actually, so the showcase, what does it mean? This means that it's going to just like show the results from your generations, and then you can just like share them, so others can see them, others can see the prompt that you used, and others can like it, and also even duplicate it and see it in different viewport sizes. So let's actually generate something, so let's use Musho. Hey, we're going to use Musho. So let's use Musho and let's generate something. As you can see, this is using the old branding. I'm thinking of we're thinking of changing this to this. A little bit again, a little bit edgy. I don't know if what do you guys think? This to this, or maybe to this. But like, hey, here's with the new font. Here's with the new styling and the new colors. So do you guys like this? Also, this thing is whenever you select something, because you can also just like select something and then regenerate. For example, let's say that this thing, I wanted to do it about puppies. So you see how if I don't have anything selected, the color is like this. But once I have something selected, then I can remix that stuff, and I can say puppy haven, and let's see what It's going to change the copy about AI combined with exquisite design elements. With Pop Haven, you're in control of creativity. Aesthetically pleasing. But sure, I don't know. It's we're still working on the remix stuff, but as you can see, it tried to do some poppy stuff. Hmm. It's it added photos of puppies here. Sometimes this thing goes a little bit with puppy behavior. You're in control of creativity. The thing is that we're changing this thing. So, do you want to keep context, or do you want to remove all context and just like do a totally new thing? And that's going to be a user preference because sometimes you want to keep context. So, for example, here it should be just like title, description, and if I were to just select that and then make it about Poppy Haven, then it should just like the Doggy Paradise and Canaan Utopia. You see that like really quickly, since the context wasn't that great, it was just like title and subheading. Then it wasn't biased by any other stuff. But now let's make it longer. Let's see what it does. Make it longer. Da, 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 da. It didn't make it longer. Come on, make it longer. Mm-hmm. Can I Utopia? I don't know if that's longer, Musho. But as you can see, this is still beta. Okay, leave us alone. But you can see the possibilities of this because if you want to iterate on stuff, you can just like keep iterating on stuff. But anyway, this is going to look. This plugin is going to look like this, or maybe like this. Which one do you like? Yellow background? Screw it. Let's just like go with yellow and screw your pupils. Or should we go with the light background like this? Let's see your comments here. One with white background or blue background. Haha. Who doesn't like puppies? Exactly. I like the bottom one. That one just. So yeah. So it's one of these two. And then once it's selected, maybe it's going to be like this. And once you have selected, you see that the color of the background changes. So maybe once you have selected, then the yellow pops. Pow! Let's go and remix. I think this is going to be a little bit better. Anyway, let's go ahead and create a landing page. Let's make a landing page about tacos. A taco shop. Let's do a taco shop thing. Just a page, and this is going to be needed just so we can use it on our design. So right now it's creating a new landing page about a taco shop. Let's see what it makes. And this is going to be, I'm going to use it as an example for the showcase page. Okay, so that's why we're creating a new taco page. Look at those tacos. Damn, dude. That's a lot of tacos. It's a lot of stuff. Hey, there's a person really happy because I don't know. She just ate some tacos. I don't know. Then ate some Mexican, like a very Mexican place, which Taco Supreme, more Mexican interiors. I sometimes this thing imagines some weird stuff, And then what is this? Whoa! It created a totally new taco shop. Hey, whoa, what happened with this guy? The face of that guy. Oh my God. Just don't zoom in. Zoom out. Just zoom out and everything looks okay-ish. Wow, these are like taco chips, This is a taco market. I don't know if spice up your life, taco gallery, join the taco club, and choose your taco. I suppose there's 3 for taco, 2 for taco, the regular, the special. I love that it's like it made it like a SaaS product. $3 per taco per day. I don't know. Never miss a taco. It seems like it's still working on this authentic flavors. Okay, well, it imagines something weird here. Taco Fiesta, and it uses a layers icons. I suppose there's no taco icon. But yeah, because we're using phosphor icons for this too. So it's selecting an icon. And okay, generation complete. Is it the best? The whole idea is that it gets you someplace, and then you can just like iterate on it. And actually, let's should- we can actually iterate on that just by selecting one of the section and say like a hmm, actually, I'm going to delete this one. I don't know if I like it. Never miss a taco day. Spice up your life. Maybe this photo. I don't know if this photo we can change it to something else. Taco shop. Let's change it. And yeah, see. Sorry, I'm in the hospital, so they keep banging on my door because they need to check on me every once in a while. And oh yeah, I'm in a hospital. By the way, look, I'm hooked to stuff. But let's continue on this. So now on our page, we're going to need three different versions of this. We're going to need this one. We're going to need the tablet version. Let's put it at 768. This feels like it didn't change. It should have changed. And let's change this to be 320, 360. 360 or 320. Let's do it 360. And well, this didn't change either. I think we have a bug there. Let's remove it for now. And that's a bug that we need to change. We're working on just like giving you all the different sizes by default. But hey, here we're doing it manually. So what we want is a page in which we showcase this stuff. So let's actually go ahead and I think what we want is, well, we don't want this. I think it will be good to just like use this stuff and let's reuse it over here. And mm, mm, mm. And let's go ahead and change this to just like a text default instead of inverted. And let's ungroup this stuff. I think it's a component. So what we want, I think, is maybe we want the Musho logo. So this is what we want, the Musho logo, and then we want a heading having the title of the actual page. Just the title, not the full prompt, but just the title, and then a way to see the prompt, and then also a way to just change between desktop, um, tablet, and mobile. So let's go ahead and do that. So I think I'm thinking here. Okay, as you can see, sometimes I do think. So let's use this little dude as our icon. Let's put it over here and let's put it at a size of maybe 40 pixels. And yes, see. So let's put it at this size and let's with this stuff and let's see what's going on here. So we have our icon, we have our, what's up, Brandon? Brandon is visiting here at the hospital. Say hi to Brandon. Everyone saying hi. Oh wow. Well, get well soon. You good? Wait, why are you at the hospital? Oh yeah, I'm have a brain virus, apparently. So, brain virus. That's the diagnosis, which sounds like a I don't know, like a metal band's name. Cerebral virus. Cerebral virus. Yeah, but I have a virus in the brain, so that's me. Okay, so I think that what we want is this should be bigger. So let's ungroup this stuff. We want this thing to be the title. I think that this should be around maybe, let's do 24 pixels for now. And maybe this is the person. So let's call them Blake Sunshine. Sorry. Blake. Oh, see, So people at the hospital need to come in. See?
Para preguntarle qué desea para su comida.
Um,
Pues,
yeah. Sí, perdón.
un ceviche de aguacate, un yakimeshi.
Yakimeshi.
Yakimeshi. Y de entrada le gustaría su sopa de lentejas.
Sí.
Y para su...
Muchas gracias. Estoy ocupado. Con eso está bien. Okay, so let's continue, and maybe we need. No, this is too large. Let's go with 20. With this one, this might be a little bit too large. So as you can see, there's a mess here. But don't worry. We will get it to the right place. Let's put it like this. Let's put it like this. This is, I think, too big. Maybe we need it to be large, bold. Maybe larger, bold. Let's do that one. And um, I'm going with modern. We don't need it to be modern. So let's go with Musho. Musho default. Let's go with default. And then this one, let's go with larger, bold. There you go. And now these two, let's make something like this. Maybe we put something like this, and maybe we need a button on the other side. So let's put it like this, and maybe let's duplicate, and we need another one that is chair. Right. So duplicate. Let's put it as the one that is filled, and something like this. I think I like it. Let's put our likes around here. So let's do an auto layout here. Let's do another auto layout here. Now let's do a full auto layout on all this stuff. Just put a center. This thing should also be center. It's already center. This one, let's put it like that. And let's put an auto layout of auto here. Let's put a fill on it. Maybe a fill of a UI. Hey, this is starting to look like something. It used to be a mess. So let's put it 0 here, padding. Let's put four pixels. I don't know if I'm a fan of this. Let's change it to this font. Yeah, and now let's put a whole padding of 20 pixels here, maybe 12 pixels on the sides. There you go. Okay, this is starting to look like a heading. 1280. Let's go with 1280 here. 1280. There you go. And now let's select this. Command Shift C. So I just copied as a PNG. Let's put it here as a PNG. Now that it's a PNG, we want to make it as an auto layout. Let's put a fill on it. Maybe on this one we use like this, like a UI faint color. Then we do this. We put 0 padding here. And this should be fill. Fill the container, centered. There you go. So let's change let's remove there you go. Okay, so there you go. So this is starting to look like something. What if, I think we need something in the middle so you can switch between mobile, desktop, and landscape, and sorry, and tablet. So should we put it here? Or should we put it? I think it should be on as part of the heading. So we're going to need maybe an icon for. Let's search our assets for mobile. There you go. Phosphor icons, always desktop, always doing a great job. Desktop, there you go. And then tablet. Let's see if we have tablet. There you go, tablet, mobile, and desktop. Let's do just like that. Let's put maybe, well, right now they're just frames like this. Maybe this should be 24 pixels. Mhm. Maybe this should be, instead of regular, let's see how it looks with fill. Maybe it should be, once it's selected, it's fill. Okay, so let's go like that, and then let's put like this. Maybe this should be text faint, so it's a little bit easier to identify what is selected and what is not. No, not instead of bold, let's go with, oh, not bold, fill. There you go. And now maybe they're buttons. So let's do Shift A, and then let's make them buttons. So, and let's do a fill, and maybe the fill is yellow. Hopefully it's not too cheesy. Shift A, and now Shift A, and there you go. And all of these Shift A's, let's put 4 pixels here, and let's put 4 pixels in the padding, and let's put here, this should be called size, and let's cut it, and let's put it as part of the heading. Now, we want it to be an absolute position, and want it to be centered. There you go. And then this thing, I think that this thing should, well, for now, it should just truncate. So maybe we want to be able to truncate this to just one line. Actually, not maximum one line, and let's truncate it to around there is okay. I think for this test, it should be around here. Okay. So, hey, this is looking good. I'm liking it. Maybe the yellow is too much. Let's see how it looks like this. It's a little bit better. It's just like too much yellow. I don't think we need too much yellow. So 32 pixels like that. Now we need, now we have duplicate, share this with 8 pixels. This should be its own padding here, maybe 8 pixels. So it's a little bit of spacing here, so you can like it. And then maybe this should be a little bit smaller. Maybe let's go with 16 pixels. It looks a little bit better. Let's go with the spacing on this. Instead of 8 pixels, let's go with 4 pixels. It looks a little bit better. Just a little nicer. The spacing between these two is 32. I think we can go with 24. Starting to look a little bit tighter. Now, this image, I think it should have, let's go with 24 pixels. No, that's too much. Let's go with 16 pixels, and let's add a shadow. Shadow, just so it separates that it's like this is just like the design, you know? So let's go with 60 pixels, and go with 16%. Let's go with 40 pixels on the blur. Let's go with 8 pixels here. Let's see how it looks. I don't know. Let's go with only 8% opacity. Let's see. So it's just enough to separate the page from the background. There you go. I like it. And now let's change this frame. Let's clip the content, and let's change it to be MacBook Air. So now it's going to look like that. Let's see how it looks when you scroll. So prototype, vertical scrolling, and let's keep this as sticky. So it's just a sticky at the top. It should be sticky or fixed. It could work. So now let's test it. So let's let's change one of these guys to that page. This one. Or no, this one. Sabor auténtico. Whatever. Any of these. So from here, I'm going to go that if you click any of these cards, let's say that this card opens this, and it just like navigates to. And this is detail. Let's see how everyone is doing over here. Hey, hi. Hi, you two are tied to. Okay, cool. So now let's and let's say that this goes back over here to the home page. Okay. So let's see. Let's play this. And I go over here to showcase. I click on this, and then, it's not weird. Oh, okay. I suppose this should be. Oh, this is something weird that happens whenever you want to do something sticky. You have to change your auto layout to be first on top, and that way, once you test it here, then see now the navigation is on top, and it looks nice. Okay, so this is looking good. Now the only thing that we need is the actual prompt. So I was thinking the main prompt is here in the bottom, so you can just like see it quickly. So maybe we just let's embed the prompt. Let's say that this is a prompt. Okay, so we do this. We paste the prompt. Wow, I did something wrong. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's put it over here. This, and let's put it like that. And let's truncate this to 2 lines. And let's put it at around there. Let's say that it's a maximum of 640. Let's do Shift A. Let's put a fill of the UI. Let's add a medium, just like and let's put 12 pixels. Looks nice. Now let's add a button. This button will be nice. Let's say that you put it here, and you just like use this prompt. Try this prompt. Oh. So ideally, this actually takes you to Figma or allows you to favorite it so you can use it on your own designs. So this thing, let's make it 14 pixels. Let's make it regular. Let's make it 0%. Let's make it aligned to the left. See how it looks. It's gonna look like crap, but let's try it. So here, let's paste it. Let's put it as an absolute position. Let's put it on the bottom. Let's put it 16 pixels here. Let's add, I think it's gonna need a stroke, so let's add a stroke around there. I suppose it's going to need a shadow too, so let's add a shadow, a bigger shadow. So maybe this one is 24 pixels. It's a little bit darker. Let's put 12 pixels bottom. Not a big fan, to be honest, but let's keep trying it. Let's try it. Let's try it. And here, let's do 16 pixels. Let's do 8 pixels here, and let's do 8 pixels on the right. For some reason, I prefer a little bit more padding here when it's just text. But here, the button, we only need 8 pixels. Not a big fan of the stroke. Let's remove it. And let's say that this doesn't scroll. It just is sticky, just is fixed. And let's put it. Oh man, it's not putting it on the top. So this is the nav bar. This is the content. Why are you not being put on the What am I doing wrong? Yeah. And then I'm going to say that it's fixed. Then it goes away. What am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? I don't know. What am I doing wrong? It should be visible here, but it's not. Hmm. I suppose I'll just remove the auto layout. And if it just removes the auto layout, then it works. But I wish it didn't have to. I guess I'll have to. Okay, cool. So let's test it. It's one of those things where it's like, okay, this prompt looks like poop. So maybe we just like, let's truncate it at one single line. I don't think, maybe you click on it and then it expands, but in the beginning, it shouldn't be as long. So let's truncate it at one line and let's make this a little bit a max width, or let's just change it to, hold on, are you doing this? Yeah, and this should be fill the container. And let's see, okay, there you go. So let's do it at 640. 640, let's center it. It's in an absolute position. Let's see how it looks. And let's play the prototype again. And it's not. Let's see. There you go. Okay. Da, da, da. So you can try this, you can duplicate this. You go back here, you're here, and then you're like, ooh, I like this one. Let's see what this one looks like. And then you can just like try it. And now you can navigate between these two, between the different sizes, by just like click on this. But we're not gonna do that today. Just gonna stop at that. I think we did what we wanted to do, which is like test Musho. Let's do another test of Musho while we're saying goodbye. So let's do test Musho of puppy spa. Let's do some puppies. Let's see if it creates some puppies. Now, let's see if anyone is here. Let me, thank you. Now you're making me hungry for tacos. Haha, you two are tired. Let me actually chat here and just like chat here. Now you're making me, haha, you're tired too. Like X8 in shadows, not just me. Yeah, even in shadows, I try to use multiples of 8. Now you're making me hungry for tacos. Timothy, still here. Ras, so cool to have you here, man. You good? Wait, are you in the hospital? Yeah, in the hospital. Having some kind of brain virus, as I was saying. So I've been here for 11 days, but hopefully next week I'm able to. They did a test, a preliminary test that like a lumbar puncture, just to see if the virus was still there, but it came positive. I was hopeful that I was going to be able to go out, that it was going to come negative, but it came positive. So I gotta stay maybe another week here. But hey, I have Brandon is here. Hi, Brandon. So I'm not alone. And yeah, yeah, just like have all this stuff and hooked to these machines and just like keep singing. It doesn't like late at night, just like it's like "Meep, meep, meep." It's kind of annoying. But hey, it's supposedly saving my life, because this thing, I think, the brain virus was a little bit was serious, but we caught it quick. Actually, we caught it like with ChatGPT. Doctors didn't know what the hell I had, and I went like with 4 or 5 different doctors, and they were like, "I don't know what you have," because I had just like the worst headache, and I had a fever, and they were like, I don't know what this is. But then we put my girlfriend actually put all the symptoms on ChatGPT, and ChatGPT diagnosed what I have before the doctors. So because of that, like my girlfriend like said, like we need to go with a neurologist. Like all these doctors have been uh, have been clueless about what you have because they're not capable of giving you a diagnosis. So and the next symptom that I would have had would have been seizures. And then I guess then they would have been like, oh, maybe you just don't have a headache. Maybe it's something else, you know? Uh, so before seizures, like ChatGPT actually like made a diagnosis, and my girlfriend was smart enough to say like, yo, let's go to a neurologist. And then the neurologist confirmed, yeah, I think you have a brain virus. And then they did a test, and boom, yeah, I did have one. So yeah, like luckily ChatGPT, well, my girlfriend is smart enough to use ChatGPT to make a diagnosis and save my life, because this could have been way worse. Anyway, let's see how it's doing. Oh, let me show my screen, because it just a puppy spat. It made a puppy spat. It just like made this. Wow, it made a wow. It selected these colors. This, oh, look at those puppies. Oh, look at the puppy. The puppy facial. There's a puppy facial, puppy manicure. Oh my god. A pause pamper process, puppy wellness, and it did this kind of. It's kind of nice illustration. Let's see if it actually creates. Did it did it make more of the image, or like, oh, there you go. Oh no, I suppose it just cut it there. Pulse Pro. So it's I guess there's a package. uh yeah, this is kind of nice. Let's see if it works on responsive. These navigations keep getting there. Let me actually put it here. This should have been like this. Let's test it again. There you go. Now it's responsive. Nice. Yeah, there you go. Puppy Spa. So, hey, if you want to go try it, go try Mucho. It's still in beta, so it's still a little bit wonky in some results, but it will be dope if you try it. Just go to .ai, and it's a Figma plugin, so you can test it and tell, hey, it's going. you know, we hope that by we're doing a lot of stuff on it that is going to be really amazing. But it would be dope if you try, go to Musho.ai and just like see that. Hopefully, this website that we designed today by next week is going to be ready. Be using Webflow to do all that stuff, so it's easy. Once you have it on Figma, Webflow, it's really easy to put it. So yeah, thank you so much, everyone who's here. Oh, that sounds serious, man. Yeah, thanks for. Yeah, my girlfriend, Manon, my girlfriend, and ChatGPT, seriously, and the doctors, the nurses, they all done an amazing job, and family has been here. My family's there, like actually, and friends and my coworkers and everyone. So I'm just really grateful, and grateful for, I don't know, like you go through this, and then you start thinking about life and stuff, and it's like, oh, I don't know, there's a lot of stuff that we worry about that maybe is not as important, and we should worry about the things that are truly important. So yeah, anyway, go try Musho. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. Look at this. I have it. Show. I have all that stuff. Waitlist. Musho. That, well, it's not a waitlist anymore. It's out there, so you can go and test it. We haven't done any marketing or anything. We just like want some people to just test it. So if you want to go Musho.ai, it's a Figma plugin, and we'd love you to try it. And I'll see you around. I suppose I'll keep doing streams here. I couldn't do them before because like I just like didn't have the energy, but now I feel a little bit better. So I think I'm going to be doing more live streams here from the hospital with my what do you call this? With my cerebral virus. Oh, my camera went off. What's going on? Yo, what's going on? Oh, there you go. Okay, so see you around. Thank you. And yeah, go try Musho. Okay, Musho.ai. Bye.